Scientific studies have proven that it is because the Tyrannosaurus Rex is related to a chicken or a bird, but it's also a bit of a giveaway because of their feet. T-Rexes have claws on their feet too, but this mighty image of a T-Rex, you'd think it does not relate to a chicken. When scientists were studying this, it was a bit hard to believe. That's why I've uncovered it for you. Now, because the chicken is related to the T-Rex, other kinds of species of birds are too. All chicken breeds are related, such as the Wyandotte, the Isa Brown, and the Leghorn. Now, with roosters, you can pretty much tell they have claws. If you can look there on the camera, they have big spikes that are pointing up on the back and at the front. It's still, I can't believe that they're related to the T-Rex. It's just amazing. Here are some mighty images of a T-Rex. Of course they're not real. Thank you for watching Chicken's Information Channel.